Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in PDF Xchange Editor and confirming you can edit it. This prevents permission errors. Next, switch to the Edit Content tool if you want to remove standalone text, or pick the Redaction tool when removing sensitive strings. Once done, zoom into the line you'll remove and set selection mode to rectangle for blocks or freeform for irregular text. This gives precise control and avoids affecting nearby elements. You now select the text. Click a text line to highlight its object, or hold Shift to select multiple. If using Edit Content, press Delete to remove the text object. This simply deletes the element from the page. If you need permanent, non-recoverable removal, use Redaction. Create redaction areas, apply them, and choose Mark and Apply to burn the change into the PDF. Make sure to inspect the surrounding layout, because text frames may shift after removal. You finish by saving a new copy so you can roll back if something goes wrong. This is safer than overwriting. Then, flatten annotations or applied redactions to prevent future edits and ensure the document looks identical across viewers. If you still see text after removal, check for an OCR or hidden text layer. Run OCR removal or clear invisible text objects, because scanned PDFs often retain an underlying searchable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.